There are so many subliminal affirmation channels out there. How do you know which one is the best? I bet you're expecting me to list all the reasons why mine are totally the best and you should give me lots of views. But surprise, it's a trick question. There's no such thing as the best, just the best for you. Subliminal affirmations are basically just positive affirmations that play in the background where they can reach your subconscious better. They're a manifesting tool. It really is as simple as that. When it comes to which affirmations are better, it genuinely comes down to personal preference. The one and only thing that matters is if you believe that they are going to work. Manifestation happens when you truly believe the thing you want is yours. I will say it again, and I want you to say it with me this time. Manifestation happens when you truly believe the thing you want is yours. Manifesting does not happen when you are asking why your specific person has not texted you even though you want it more than anything. Or when you are asking why you haven't won the lottery even though you scripted for it every night for a week. Or when you are praying for something to come in and fix your circumstances. It happens when you truly, thoroughly, 100% believe that the thing you want is not only possible, but it is here right now. Subliminal videos are a way to help you get to that state of perfect belief. The subliminal videos do not do the manifesting. No manifestation technique is the manifesting for you. They just exist to help you. They don't do the work. Your amazing mind does all the work. And yes, I know that one is not the right word because if you have it, you don't want it, but it's the most understandable way to put it. It's the same thing with manifestation tools. Someone who has gotten amazing results with scripting, for example, might tout it as the best way or maybe the only way to get results. But if you just don't gel with scripting, it's not going to be as effective for you. I know I definitely can't get into scripting, like at all. The only manifestation tools that matter for you are the ones you vibe with. The only subliminal affirmations that matter for you are the ones you vibe with. If you doubt a method, it's going to be harder to make it work for you. If a method annoys you, it's going to be harder to make it work for you. For me, I like to hear the affirmations. Because it's a little reminder to check in with a few conscious affirmations to fuel the process. I don't like the affirmations that are extremely sped up because my own personal doubt that extremely sped up affirmations can work gets in the way. And for me, it's just easier to listen to slower affirmations than to try and dismantle that doubt. Exaggerated and sped up affirmations are fantastic for people that vibe with them. I just like something different. If you are listening to my subliminal videos, I am grateful to be a part of your manifesting journey. Learning how to manifest with purpose has been life-changing for me, and I want to spread that magic to lots of people. I'm rooting for your manifestations. And hey, if you have any questions about manifesting you'd like me to answer, or affirmation videos you'd like me to make, drop them in the comments.